Hi guys, here we are back again. So today we are going to look at the cover from the Note 3. It looks the same as we had with the Note Air. It's packed up in the same way. It has this nice string attached to it, like a bag. Compact design. Doesn't feel heavy. Let's try to open it. Let's first open. There we go. Okay, this is completely different than the cover that we reviewed from the Note Air. First of all, it's a hard case. It's really a hard case. And something else that we see is this lid here. This is exactly what I was missing on the other one, on the Note Air. This is to put your pen in. So you see, this is exactly what I would have liked with the Note Air. And we see that we have some holes on the sides for the speakers. And I think this is transparent. It is transparent. So you see this is a shell. So I will try to put it in. So as you see, I have the speakers here, so I'm going to align the speakers. So these speakers must be aligned with these speakers. Wow. It feels a little bit more heavy, but it's worth it. I really feel that it's secure now. I can see through it. I can see the back, but not a lot. The back is plastic, and the front is like velvet. It's smooth. It's yeah, it feels synthetic. Yeah. If you know about cars, this feels like Alcantara leather. We have a nice logo of books. I really like the pen holder. This is really cool. This is what I wanted before. Something that I notice is when I close it, it's not going into standby mode. Maybe I need to configure something. There is also a small depth in here. I don't know if you can see it clearly. Let me show you this. You see? That's where the button could go in. Up, yeah. Look at the nice resolution. This is really awesome. Okay. When I did the same thing, when I did the same close-up with the Max Lumi, you could see the pixels, and with the Note 3, I cannot see it. So, the book's Note 3 cover is really nice. I really like it. I wonder if it has some other features that I didn't see. For example, here on the side, it's thicker. I don't know why this is. Is it just to keep in this leaf? Something that the Note Air had was that you could put it in a certain way so that it could stand up from its own. But you don't have this with the... You see, if I try to let it stand in tent mode, it's not working. It's not staying in tent mode. But that's not so bad. It's not so heavy, so you can put it on anything. No, that's fine. Oh, did you see? I think it went into standby. Yeah. Now it worked. I don't know what the difference is between now and a few minutes ago, but we see that it goes into standby mode. You wake it up on the top. I think, yeah, we have everything tested.